If you've made a payment on TikTok and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots or the menu icon in the top right corner to access the Settings and Privacy section. Step 4. Find the payment history. Scroll down and look for the balance or payment history option. Here, you can view your recent transactions and locate the payment you want to refund. Step 5. Request a refund. Select the transaction and look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request, providing any necessary details. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your refund request. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to TikTok's customer support for further assistance.